Hello, my name is Daniel from Gift Card Suite, and today we are going to learn how to design your e-gift card shop. So when you click View Your Store, you'll see your e-gift card shop, and as you can see, this is already implemented, the Gift Card Suite, but we can change this and we'll get to that later on. And the header background color, this is also pre-installed, but we could also edit this later on. And same goes for this background portion. We could edit this later on, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that in this tutorial. So let's get started. So let's go into our dashboard, and we are going to go to our online store. Then from the online store drop down, we are going to select edit theme. Select edit theme. On here, you're going to see all of the things that you need that are going to design your e-gift card shop. It's very simple to do. It's actually very exciting. Pretty much anyone that could set up a Facebook page, a Twitter page, an Instagram account can do this. It is extremely user-friendly and fun and very creative. And this is an exciting thing to do. So let's begin. So as you can see, the logo image currently is Gift Card Suite. Being that you are most likely not Gift Card Suite, you want to change this image out. Let's change it with a new logo. So we're going to remove this logo, and you could either upload an image by selecting this button or dragging and dropping a file. Dragging and dropping a file is a new feature, so we are going to do that, and it is extremely easy to do. So as you can see, I just dragged and dropped a new file for the logo image. I'm going down here and press save. Then I'm going to click View Your Store in order to see the update. And as you can see, it changed from Gift Card Suite to Daniel's e-gift card shop. And this logo here can be your logo. So whatever you upload here is going to appear here. Now the next step is the header background image, this green part right here. So we could either change it to a different color. For example, let's make it a red, and then click save. We can see here now the background header color is red. Or let's just say we want to add a background header image instead of a color. We could always do that as well. So we can click upload image here, and then simply press save, and then view your shop, and then now you can see that the header image has taken over. It is important to note that there's three options. There is a fill, and that is the current look right now, or you could have a natural size no repeat. Let's just take a look at them all so you can get an idea. This is natural size no repeat for the header image. Save that, view your shop. As you can see, this doesn't look as appealing, so this is where the creativity comes in. So let's just see natural size repeat. What does that do? Let's take a look. So this looks a little more cleaner than this one and that one, I would say. But let's just say you don't want to use an image and you want to use a color. Just simply remove the image and then add in the color that you desire by either using this toggle to drag to the color of your desire, or if you know the RGB code, you can simply plug that in. For us, we're going to plug in the old green color back, and then simply press save, and as you can see here, the color's back, and I like this color, and you should make the color whatever you like, or whatever the header background image that you like, you should put there along with the logo that you like most. And most importantly, the logo should be the name of your business and represent the brand of your business. Now, the second part is the background color. As spoken before, this is the background color right here in this area. So quickly, let's just change it to red again. And let's see how that looks. As you can see, it doesn't look as aesthetic. So let me give the background image a try. So once again, put in a background image. Right now we also have 3 options. We could do fill. Let's try fill. See what that looks like. That is what fill looks like for the background image. Let's see natural size, no repeat. Meaning the image is going to be as is and it's not going to repeat in any direction. So that's why it's not repeating in any direction. So being that the case, let's do natural size repeat. So it will expand to all corners. So this is what it will look like, natural size, no repeat. So if you have a pattern that you like and you want it to fill and look very aesthetic, you're going to want to go with natural size repeat. Or if you simply just want to use a color, you could always do that, again by toggling to the RGB color that you like, which stands for red, green, blue. And we're going to make this color what it was before. And then press save. And then as you can see, this is your e-gift card shop. This is what it looks like. Now that you know how to design your own e-gift card shop, I highly suggest that you start getting creative and designing your own e-gift card shop tailored to your specific business and brand, and begin selling e-gift cards. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at hello@giftcardsuite.com, and have a great day.